Hello, my dear children. Sairam. How are you all doing? I believe you all are doing well. And how about your online exams? Was it easy? Good. This was your second online exam, isn't it? Now let us start with a grammar portion. Okay, now we will start with a grammar portion, and without wasting any time, we will dive into our next chapter, that is chapter number 4. Today I will be teaching you chapter number 4, and our topic is describing words, Now, what is a describing word? Okay, what is a describing word? I will explain you with some examples. Okay, now let us see this image. Now you can see an image of a butterfly. Now let us see the sentence. A beautiful butterfly. A beautiful butterfly. Here you can see, children, butterfly is written in a different color, isn't it? It is written in yellow color. Now why it is written in yellow color? I will tell you. When you have to find a describing word, okay, whenever you have to find a describing word in a sentence, first you have to find out the naming word. Okay, first you have to find out the naming word. As you all know, what is a naming word? It is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. So here butterfly is the name of an insect. So here I have written the naming word below butterfly. Okay, so we have found the naming word now. Now we have to find the describing word. Okay. Now what information you are getting about the butterfly? Yes, that it is beautiful, isn't it? What information we got about the butterfly? That it is beautiful. Okay, so here the word beautiful is the describing word. The word beautiful is the describing word. It is giving us more information about the butterfly. The word beautiful is giving us more information about the butterfly. Okay, so it is known as the describing word. Now let us see the next example. Okay, yes, you can see a girl, isn't it? You can see a girl standing over there. Okay, now let us see the sentence. She is a tall girl. Okay, what is the sentence given? She is a tall girl. Again you can see here girl is written in yellow color. Okay, girl is written in yellow color. That means it is a naming word. Girl is the name of a person, isn't it? Girl is the name of a person. And what information you are getting about the girl? Yes, that she is tall, isn't it? What information we got? That she is tall. So the word tall is the describing word. Okay, the word tall is the describing word. So here children, see, I will write here. One minute children. Yes. I will write here D. Why I have written the D? Because tall is the describing word. Okay, now let us see the next one. Here we will see the definition of describing word. Okay, here we will see the definition of describing word. Describing word means they give us more information about the naming words. Okay, describing words means they give us more information about the naming words. For example, person, place, animal and thing. I had told you earlier also. So now let us see. What is the naming word? It is the name of a person, place, animal and thing. Okay. So whatever information we are getting about these naming words, that is known as the describing word. Okay. So now let us see some more examples. Here children, you can see the image of a pillow. Okay, here you can see the image of a pillow. Now let us see the sentence. The pillow is soft. Okay, what is the sentence given? The pillow is soft. Here, first what we have to do? We have to find the naming word. We have to find the naming word. So here the word pillow is the name of a thing. Pillow is the name of a thing. Now what information we are getting about the pillow? How is the pillow? Yes, it is soft. How is the pillow? It is soft. How does you feel when you touch it? Yes, it feels very soft, isn't it? We all have pillows at home. How does it feel? It feels very soft. So here, soft is describing about the pillow. Okay, so here I will write D below soft and N, that is naming word, below pillow. Okay, now let us see the next one. Here you can see the image of a boy. Okay, now let us see the sentence. The boy is wearing a blue t-shirt. The boy is wearing a blue t-shirt. Okay, here the word boy and t-shirt is the naming word. Okay, the boy and t-shirt is the naming word. So what information we are getting about the boy and the t-shirt? Yes, that the boy is wearing a blue color t-shirt. So here they are giving the describing word is blue. Okay, it is describing that the boy has worn a blue color t-shirt. Okay, they are describing us that what is the color of the t-shirt. So here blue is the describing word and here boy and t-shirt is the naming word. Boy is the name of a person and t-shirt is the name of a thing. Okay children, now let us see the next one. Here you can see the image of a rat. Okay, a tiny rat. What is the sentence given? A tiny rat. Here, what is the naming word? Yes, rat is the naming word. Rat is the naming word. What information we are getting about the rat? That it is very tiny, that it is very tiny. The word tiny gives us more information about the rat. So here it is the describing word. The word tiny is the describing word and rat is the naming word. So whenever you want to find the describing word, first you have to see the naming word in the sentence. After saying the naming word, you will ask question to the naming word. And if you will ask, how is the rat? It is a tiny rat, isn't it? So here tiny is the describing word. Now let us see the next one. Yes, you can see banana, you can see apple. There are many fruits here. Yes. Now let us see the sentence. Fruits are healthy for our health. Fruits are healthy for our health. So here the naming word is, yes, fruits, isn't it? So what information you are getting about the fruits? That it is healthy. How are the fruits? Healthy. So here healthy is the describing word. So you will see the describing word. What is the information given about the fruits? What we are getting the information? We are getting the information as it is healthy. How are the fruits? They are very healthy for our health. So, healthy is the describing word. Yes, you can see a cat, isn't it? You can see the image of a cat. Now, let us see the sentence. What is the sentence given? A fat cat. What is the sentence given? A fat cat. Okay. Here, first we will see the naming word. So, cat is the name of a animal. Cat is the name of an animal, isn't it? And what is the describing word? How is the cat? It is fat. So, fat is the describing word. It is describing about the cat. It is telling us how is the cat. It is fat. Okay. Now, let us see the next example. Here, one more example. We can see a black cat. Okay. Here, we can see one more example that what it is telling, a black cat. So, again, cat is the naming word. Now, if you will ask, how is the cat? It is black in color. Okay, it is black in color. So, again here the word black is describing about the cat. Here fat was describing about the cat, and in the second sentence it is a color. Okay, it is a color of the cat. So, again it is a describing word. Now the next one, you can see a box. Okay, nothing is there inside a box, isn't it? So let us see the sentence now. It is an empty box. What is the sentence given? It is an empty box. So first we will find out the naming word. Okay, first we will find out the naming word, that is box is the name of a thing. Box is the name of a thing. Now, if you will ask the question, how is the box? So, what information we are getting? It is an empty. It is empty. Nothing is there inside the box. So, here the word empty is describing about the box. Okay. The word empty is describing about the box. It is telling us that nothing is there inside the box. Okay. Now, next. Here you can see a tall tree, isn't it? You can see a tall tree, coconut tree. Now let us see the sentence. This is a tall tree. This is a tall tree. Okay. Now, here tree is the naming word. It is the name of a thing. Okay. It is the name of a thing. Now, what information you are getting about the tree? That it is tall. Okay, what information you are getting? That it is tall. So again the word tall is describing about the tree. The word tall is describing about the tree. So tall is the describing word. Okay. Now the next one. Look at the picture and choose the correct describing word and fill in the blanks. Okay. Look at the picture and choose the correct describing word and fill in the blanks. Let us see the first one. The tea is dash. The tea is dash. In bracket you can see hot, cold. Okay, let us see the picture now. Yes, you can see a cup of tea is there. Okay, a cup of tea is there and you can see the vapor also. Okay, so how is the tea? It is hot. Okay, how is the tea? It is hot. Now the next one. It is a dash balloon. It is a dash balloon. And what is the option given? Red, green. Okay, red, green. So now let us see the picture now. Yes. What is the color of the balloon? It is green. So what you will write in the bracket? Yes, you will write green. It is a green balloon. It is a green balloon. Okay. Now the next one. This is a dash giraffe. This is a dash giraffe. Okay. And the options are short, tall. Okay. And the options are short, tall. Now let us see the picture. Yes. This is a tall giraffe. You can see the giraffe. How it is? Tall or short? It is tall. So you will write tall in the blanks. Okay. This is a tall giraffe. Now the fourth one. There are dash puppies. There are dash puppies. Okay. Now let us see the image. How many puppies are there? There are 2 puppies. Okay. There are 2 puppies. So what you will write in the blanks? You will write 2. Okay. There are 2 puppies. So children, here we have finished with the describing word. I hope you all have understood. Stay home, stay safe and thank you children. Okay, take care.